How do I unignore messages on Messenger?
Hello there. Have you ever ignored a conversation on Facebook Messenger by mistake, or perhaps you've decided to start chatting with someone you previously chose to ignore? In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the steps of how to unignore messages on Messenger. This is an easy process, so let's dive right in.
Accessing Facebook Messenger.
The first step is to access Facebook Messenger. You can do this either through the Messenger mobile app or the Messenger website on a desktop or laptop. Make sure you're signed in to the Facebook account where the ignored conversations are located.
Navigating to Message Requests.
Once you're signed into Messenger, you'll need to navigate to the Message Requests section. This is where Messenger places conversations that you've chosen to ignore. On the mobile app, you can find this by tapping your profile picture in the top left corner, then selecting Message Requests. On a desktop or laptop, click the See All in Messenger link in the bottom left corner of the Messenger homepage, then click on the gear icon in the top left to access the Settings drop-down. From there, select Message Requests.
Accessing Spam folder.
Inside the Message Requests section, there's another folder titled Spam. On a mobile app, this can be accessed by selecting the Spam tab at the top of the Message Requests page. On a desktop or laptop, simply scroll down on the Message Requests page to find the Spam section.
Unignoring the Conversation.
In the Spam folder, you'll see the conversations you've ignored. To unignore a conversation, 1. Click on the conversation you want to unignore. 2. Send a message to the contact. This will move the conversation back into your main inbox. Please note that the ignored person will not be notified that you've unignored them. You can start receiving and sending messages as normal from this point. That wraps up our tutorial on how to unignore messages on Messenger. It's a simple process and can help you manage your conversations more effectively. We hope this guide has been helpful for you. Happy messaging!